Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with keyless access with push-button start, convenience package with power equipment group, Starlink Apple CarPlay Android Auto, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, Starlink safety and security emergency communication system, rear view camera, third row seating, auto high beam headlamp control, keyless entry, steering wheel controls, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.